With this high-efficiency crap, I'll have cleaning failures without heaping suds.
Philco's new top-loading washer really makes a splash. Watch the agitator sway and set that water dancing.
Whee! Around we go!
Even the sheet gets a free swim, guided by our...
Into that wash. All that bright, bubbly action, my kind of party. Look at those suds go to work. Nothing gets clothes cleaner or whiter than good old New Blue...
Look with the Hot Point folks tucked inside.
A fresh box of Tide? That's a welcome surprise.
Says right here, for Beyond Bright.
Guess our shirts are about to glow.
And we didn't even have to buy it. I love this machine already.
Downtown Minneapolis. Look at those lights. The air even smells like roasted peanuts tonight. Oh, would you look at that window? Washers is fun.
That's the spin I love. High five to finish.
This is what I get for disabling my lid switches.
Lady, don't open me! I'm a 70-year-old antique!
Get back here, New Blue Cheer! I just need 1 cup of your delicious blue powder!